So hello guys, welcome once again to our channel, that is Learn It Up with Amit Singh. So today we are going to start a new chapter that is from our NCERT syllabus or CBSE course, that is from class 9th book biology. We will read about why do we fall ill. Okay, so in this topic we are going to read more about disease, what is health, what are how we got some disease. Okay, so health and how health gets failure, about all certain types of disease, sources of disease, and all these things we are going to read in this chapter. So watch the full video to get a question. Okay, so watch the full video so that you can understand it better. ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ ବି କହିଥିଲି ଆଉ ଏବେ ବି କହୁଛି, ଡେଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ରାତି 10ଟାରୁ 10:30 ଭିତରେ ଅପଲୋଡ଼ ହେବ। ଆଉ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଚାନ୍ସ ମିଳିବ 100 rupees ଜିତିବା ପାଇଁ। ଏଭ୍ରିଡେ ୟୁ ଗେଟ୍ ଚାନ୍ସ ଟୁ ୱିନ୍ ₹100। ୱାଚ୍ ଆୱାର ଫୁଲ୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ, ଆନ୍ସର ଏ ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ୱିଦିନ୍ 10 minutes of the upload of the video, comment the right answer first, win ₹100 Paytm. Okay, so the first person with correct answer will win the prize. So subscribe our channel, that is Learn It Up with Amit Singh. Okay, so if I will say something to you about health and disease, okay, so now you see that most of the people are falling ill. Okay, somebody is saying that my health condition is not good. Some of them are complaining about sudden chest pains. These are certain type of diseases, or we fall ill not only because of the environmental factor, but we are the one those who are changing the environment. Okay, आमे कौन करुचे ना आमे निजे एमिति परिवेश सृष्टि करचे जोथरे कि जोथिपाई आमे माने ही असुस्थ हो पड़ुचे। बहुत जल्दी आमे माने असुस्थ हो पड़ुचे। एवं असुस्थ होबार कारण कौन, व्हाट आर द रीजन ऑफ फॉलिंग इल. ओके, so what are the reason of falling ill, about health, and all these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's start our chapter. So what is disease? Disease कौन? Okay, so disease is a change that disturbs the normal functioning of the body system. ताहले कौन ना डिजीज होउची माने गोटे एमिति गोटे जिंस बा एमिति गोटे स्टेट ऑफ आवर बॉडी हो कि आमर शरीर गोटे एमिति कंडीशन जो थे कि आम बॉडी जमी नॉर्मल फंक्शन करची. ओके, से नॉर्मल फंक्शनटा करिवो नाही. तो नॉर्मल फंक्शन न करिवा द्वारा कौन हम ना आम रोगाक्रांत हवा. वी विल गेट अफेक्टेड टू डिजीज. सो रिमेंबर दैट डिजीज इज ए चेंज that disturbs the normal functioning of the body system. बॉडी रो नॉर्मल फंक्शन टाकू से कौन करिवो ना अफेक्टेड करिवो. जेमिति आम रेगुलर बेसिस रे खाऊचे खेलुचे बुलुचे, डिजीज हेले देखिबे आमको सेतिकी भल लागिवो नाही. तो डिजीज हेले कौन हबा, आम आहुरी असुस्थ हो पड़िबा. ओके, सो तापर नेक्स्ट रे कौन, हेल्थ. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हेल्थ. ओके, और व्हाट इज हेल्थ. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. ता माने कौन, हेल्थ माने होउची ना आमर जेमिति कि कम्प्लीटली फिजिकली हो, मेंटली हो बा सोशियली हो, आमे पूरा कम्प्लीटली सबू जिनस ठीक रहिबा हैला ना, कि केवल खाली रोग रहिबनी कि रोग न रहिले भी जदि आमर मन दुख थिबो ताहाले आपण जानि परिबे जे आमे ठीक ना हूँ हैला. तो हेल्थ कौन ना, हेल्थ इज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज द स्टेट ऑफ कंप्लीट फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड सोशल वेल-बीइंग. सो बीइंग हेल्दी मीन्स वन फील्स गुड फिजिकली. ओके, सो व्हेन वी आर हेल्दी we feel good physically, also have a positive outlook. We also have a positive outlook. Our mental pressure is not very difficult, so mentally also we are very satisfied. Okay, being healthy is far more than being free from disease. So being healthy means, being healthy always refers that we are free from disease. We have body, we will be affected to disease. Okay, remember, if we have body we will get affected to disease, but it is with the power of ourselves only that we can get free from this type of disease. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the difference between healthy and disease free. ताहले हेल्दी कौन आउ डिजीज फ्री कौन. So healthy means the state of physical, mental and social well-being. So healthy means what? The state of physical, mental and social well-being. So disease free means what? Disease free is the state of absence of disease. Okay, so in disease free means that you will be affected with no disease. You will be affected with no disease, but being healthy means physically, mentally you must be fit. Physically, mentally you must be fit means if your health condition is also not good, you must cooperate with your parents that my health condition is not good, so you don't be worried or like this. So that condition is called as healthy. Okay, धर मो देह ठीक नहीं बा मते भल लगुनि तो ताहले मु कौन करी चिड़चिड़ चिड़चिड़ हेबी कि अलग जनक उपर हेबिनी तो ताकू कहवा आम हेल्दी यही कंडीशन टाक आम हेल्दी कहवा किंतु डिजीज फ्री माने कौन आम शरीर में कौन रोग नथिबो बुझी होउची किंतु समस्त शरीर भगवान शरीर देइचंती रोग मध्य देइचंती. नेक्स्ट इज दैट healthy refers to individual physical and social environment. Healthy means what? It our individual, it depends on the individual as well as on physical and social environmental factors. So our surrounding the healthiness depends upon our surrounding environment. Okay, but disease free refers only to a individual. But disease free means what? Only a individual, that means I must be disease free. Okay, so next is how we can prevent from disease, how we can get control from disease. So first one is your washing hands, getting enough rest, eating well, showering daily, avoiding harmful substances, storing food properly, not sharing utensil or glasses used by ourselves, stay abstinent to prevent STDs. Okay, STD means sexually transmitted disease. Remember, full form of STD is sexually transmitted disease. So how can we stay free from all sort of disease? Remember, first thing and the major thing is that by washing our hand regularly with soap prevents us from disease. Since we are eating with our hand, it prevents us from disease. Next is your getting enough rest. Okay, taking rest also makes you feel happy, makes your mental condition stable. Okay, so eating well also, so we have to eat all sort of balanced diet to prevent or to stay free from disease. Showering daily, every day we have to take a bath so that all the impurities that are present in our skin will get away. Okay, avoiding harmful substances, we must not eat tobacco, chew tobacco or not smoke also. By avoiding harmful substances, they are harmful substances because tobacco is a harmful substances because they affect our they cause cancer, mouth cancer, these all sort of things, or mouth ulcers. So storing food properly. Okay, these are the process by which we can stay disease free. Next comes to your how disease is divided or what are the types of disease. Okay, there are two types of disease. Remember, disease has been categorized into four categories, but mainly two. Okay, but mainly two, that is your congenital disease and your acquired disease. Acquired disease and congenital disease means what? Now acquired disease is also further divided into communicable or infectious disease, non communicable or non infectious disease. Okay, so देख डिजीज टाकू दी टाइप रो डिवाइड कराला. फास्ट हूँ कंजेनिटाल डिजीज, नेक्स्ट हूँ एक्वायर्ड डिजीज. एक्वायर्ड डिजीज कौन? जोटा आम हठात किना धर हम गोटे कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज हो कि नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज हो. तापरे कंजेनिटाल डिजीज माने कौन? धरतु हार्ट अटैक इज ए टाइप ऑफ कंजेनिटाल डिजीज. सेटा कौन हठात किना हुए. ओके, तार बा जेनेटिकाली गोटे जदि कौन सी जिनस होउची ताकू आमे कहिबा कौन ना कंजेनिटाल डिजीज, जोटा कि माने आम जन्मरु थिबो. द डिजीज दैट इज प्रेजेंट सिंस आवर बर्थ इज कॉल्ड एज कंजेनिटाल डिजीज, बट एक्वायर्ड डिजीज आर द डिजीज दैट डेवलप आफ्टर द बर्थ. ओके, एक्वायर्ड डिजीज आर द डिजीज दैट डेवलप आफ्टर द बर्थ. ओके, so congenital disease are caused due to genetic abnormalities or malfunctioning of any of the organ. So why congenital disease occur? Now because due to any genetic abnormalities, if there is some problem during your birth time from the genes, it is occurred from the genes only, okay, and they are not easily curable, okay. Remember, they are not easily curable and the person or the infected person passes away. Remember, the infected person passes away. So if we are discussing about acquired disease that we get or develop after the birth, they can be classified into further two types: communicable or infectious, non-communicable or non-infectious, okay. So now we'll see about difference between acute and chronic. तो acute disease कौन, chronic disease कौन, एबे आमे discussion करिबा. Acute disease कौन ना, they last for just short time but can be rapidly and intense symptom, okay. So acute disease means what, माने अल्प टाइम पाई गोटे छोट टाइम पाई सेटा हेई थाए, किंतु chronic disease माने कौन ना जीवन सारा, दे लास्ट फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम इवेन एज मच एज लाइफ टाइम, पूरा आजीवन आपण से रोगटा हम ताकू कहवा कौन क्रोनिक डिजीज. किंतु एक्यूट डिजीज कौन अल्प टाइम पे हम तापरे पलैब, जेमिति ज्वर, थंडा, टाइफॉइड, कलेरा, मलेरिया, एमती ताकू कहवा आमे कौन एक्यूट डिजीज, ओके. एक्यूट डिजीज कैन बी माइल्ड, सिवियर और इवेन फैटल. सो एग्जांपल यू कैन गिव कॉमन कोल्ड, इन्फ्लुएंजा, cough, typhoid, etc. But chronic disease are persistent. Remember, they are persistent or they last for longer period of time, even lifetime also. They have also drastic effect on human health. Human health रे भी chronic disease रो बहुत गुड़ा माने हठात किना हबो, जो डिजीज टा आपन को हठात किना होउची. So example are what? ना example of chronic diseases are cardiovascular disease, tuberculosis, diabetes, arthritis, cancer, etc. तो acute आउ chronic disease रे जदि मु कहिबी तो कौन ना acute आउ chronic disease रो एतिक डिफरेंस. acute disease टा होउची, acute माने कम टाइम पई, अल्प टाइम पई हबो तापरे भलो होई जिवो. chronic disease टा कौन ना chronic disease होउची जोटा कि लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम पई हबो. जदि आपन को वांस हेई जाउची तो सेटा कौन पूरा परसिस्टेंटली रहिबो, शरीर भितर पूरा परसिस्टेंटली रहिबो. आउ किंतु एक्यूट डिजीज टा रहिबोनी. आउ एक्यूट डिजीज रो एग्जांपल कौन, कोल्ड, कफ, टाइफॉइड, कलेरा. क्रोनिक डिजीज रो होची डायबिटीज, आर्थ्राइटिस, कैंसर, ए सब हेले कौन आपन को रहिबो. तो एटा होची गोटे डिफरेंस बिटवीन जोटा एग्जाम रे आसीबो. कम्युनिकेबल, नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज गोटे डिफरेंस जोटा एग्जाम रे आसीबो, ओके. ताले एबे आमे देखिबा how a disease spread from one person to other, or the spread of disease, how a disease spread from one person to another. So first one is your direct contact. Direct contact माने कौन, धरो आमे कोविड हैला, कोविड रे कौन डायरेक्ट कंटाक्ट, जदि आमे जन को छुईले ताहले आमे कोविड पॉजिटिव हबा बा अल्प दिन पर आमको कोविड हबार पॉसिबिलिटी अच्छे, ओके. आउ कौन ना बा एयर, एयर धर आमे छिंकिले, कासिले, इफ वी आर स्नीजिंग, कफिंग, विल गेट अफेक्टेड टू सच डिजीज. एग्जांपल दे परिवो थंडा, नॉर्मल थंडा, ओके. तापर कौन इनडायरेक्ट कंटाक्ट, धर जने किए डायग्राम रे देखंतु, सीड द डायग्राम. इफ समबडी इज ड्रिंकिंग ए टी cup, okay, if we take without washing it, we will also drink in that cup, or we will use the utensil of the infected person also, we will get affected to that disease. ताले infectious disease गुड़ा कौन, infectious disease गुड़ा केमिति ट्रांसमिट करी थाए. रिमेंबर ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ इंजेक्शन, इंजेक्शन माने कौन, जेतेबेले गोटे धर when a hen is laying egg, okay, when a hen is laying egg, remember always there is a chance of getting affected to chicken pox. नुहे chicken pox अलगा, बर्ड फ्लू अलगा. रिमेंबर chicken pox अलगा, केबे भाबिबानी chicken फोटो देखी कि chicken pox, never ever think that chicken pox is related to hen. Remember, hen is something different and chicken pox is something different. So infectious disease means they may be your sexually transmitted disease, animal or bitten by animal. When you are bitten by cat, dog, okay, they, or when something bee, like bees or something, they beat on your skin, you get infectious disease. Remember, they are called as infectious disease, okay. So infectious disease already you have understood, they are caused by either bacteria or some fungi like this, they or some protozoans also, some virus also. Infection माने कौन, ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଶରୀରରେ ଯେଉଁ ବି ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ ହେଉ କି ଭାଇରସ୍ ହେଉ କି ଫଙ୍ଗି ହେଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣଙ୍କ ବଡ଼ିକୁ ଯାଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଇନଫେକ୍ସିୟସ୍ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହେଉଛି। ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ କ'ଣ, କମନ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇନଫେକ୍ସିୟସ୍ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ଆର୍ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏଞ୍ଜା, କୋଲ୍ଡ, ଏଡ୍ସ, ଦେନ୍ COVID-19. Okay, so how this in this diagram you watch clearly that it is given. In this diagram it is given, see the picture clearly, the spray of droplets during coughing and sneezing can spread an infectious disease. तो infectious disease केमिति spread होउची, धर गोटे cured person अछि, cured person माने healthy person. Remember, when a healthy person and diseased person or infected person comes in contact with each other. धर मु जनक पाखरे बसची, एग्जांपल केमती ना, इफ आई एम सिटिंग नियर समबडी, जनक पाखरे बसची, सी होउची रोगाक्रांत लोक, ओके, सी कौन करिवो, छिंकीदेव, छिंकिले तार जो ड्रपलेट्स थी मो नाक भितर आसिकी पशिज, मो नाकरे पशि कौन करिवो, से जो भाइरस हो बा बैक्टेरिया हो बा फंगी हो मो बॉडी सारा पूरा खेलैजिवो, बुझी होउची। तो by this way we get affected to infectious disease. Okay, if I am sitting close to a infected person or a diseased person but I am a healthy person, remember I am a healthy person and sitting next to the infected person, if he or she sneezes, coughs or do something, okay, splits, if that bacteria or virus will enter to my body, then I will also be affected. Okay, so infectious disease are very much harmful, not very much harmful, but we should not go near that type of person. So main reason behind COVID-19 is the infectious disease, since we come in contact with the patient, affected patient. Next is your exchange of body fluid. Body fluid exchange केमती ना, during the time of exchange of hand shaking or something, our sweat comes in contact with the infected person's sweat. Our sweat will come in contact with the infected person's sweat. So being healthy, okay, if we are a healthy person and our sweat comes in contact with infected person's sweat, then we are affected to certain type of infectious disease. Next is your by kissing. If we are kissing to a child, okay, we are affected with COVID-19. Take example of COVID-19. If we are affected with COVID-19 and we are kissing to a small boy or a girl, okay, so if we are affected with COVID-19, then they will also, or the virus will transmit through that kiss to the healthy person, okay, then he or she will be affected with that certain type of disease. Okay, so remember how infectious disease are spread. Infectious disease can be your airborne disease, waterborne disease, sexually transmitted disease, formide-borne disease. Okay, infectious disease can be airborne disease, waterborne disease, or your sexually transmitted disease, formide disease. They are also spread through various types of vector, directly हो कि indirectly हो इन्फेक्शन आपन को हबो। इन्फेक्शन हबो माने कोन ना किछि गोटे आपन को डिजीज होउची। तो एबे चलंतु जिबा आमे कोन क्विज सेक्शन को। मु सबुदिन आपन को कहिची कि सबुदिन आपन 100 टंका जिति परिबे जदि आपन प्रतिदिन आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूचंती एवं ऑल सब्सक्रिप्शन को एक्टिव करूचंती। प्रतिदिन आम वीडियो अपलोड हेले आपन को नोटिफिकेशन जीवो। तो से नोटिफिकेशन देखिकी आपन कौन करंतु ना आम वीडियोटी को सांगे सांग देखंतु। देखिले वीडियो देखिबार 10 मिनट भितर जे फास्ट आपमर क्वेश्चन आंसर देइथिबो तांकु कोन प्राइज मिलिबो। सो क्वेश्चन टा कोन ना, question for today is, who is the present minister of law and justice of India? I repeat, who is the present minister of law and justice of India? आउ थरे कहूची किए प्रेजेंटली मिनिस्टर अछंती इंडिया रो लॉ आउ जस्टिस रो। ओके ऑप्शन होची हरदीप सिंह पुरी, श्री भूपेंद्र यादव, श्री राजकुमार सिंह एंड श्री किरेन रिजिजू। ताहले बहुत मात्रा रे आम चैनल टी को लाइक करंतु, सब्सक्राइब करंतु, शेयर करंतु। आउ ए चैप्टर जदि मु हठात किना 9th क्लास रो चैप्टर बुझेली कहीं ना केते गुड़ा पिला कमेंट देइचंदी कि से माने इंग्लिश रे आम ओडिसा रो पिला केते गुड़ा पिला से माने इंग्लिश रे बुझी पारना जो मत कहते कि सार प्लीज आपड़ टी ओडिया आमको बुझातु तो से एटा मु ओडिया रे बुझेली। थैंक यू।